See, I don't know if I've done an actual walk around Dave's bike with this camera. Let's give it a shot. Here we go. See, it's David's Royal Star. 2006, I want to say. Well. It's a nice bike though. It's a clean bike. Just bought it for Christmas or right around Christmas time. Last 2023 he bought it. Beautiful bike. Well maintained. I think it's got lower miles too. Got the Denali LED on the bottom. We already had, unfortunately, had a little trouble with the Denali. Caused a short. Spent a lot of time trying to troubleshoot that. But got it down, figured it out eventually. The meter is your friend. I mean electrical meter by that. At the front of it, got an LED tail. So it's got some add-ons, an LED tail light. Beautiful bike though, nice style of bike, really low. Nice to ride. I've never ridden. I've ridden this Victory Vision, but I've never ridden this bike. Maybe later on we'll go in a parking lot and do a bike swap. You can ride the Goldwing. And I can ride Royal Star. Maybe, we'll see. Play it by ear. Right now we gotta get some pants, he says. Pantalones. All right. You know, the important hairbrush, the Conair hairbrush, very important. Because when you take off a helmet, you have what they call helmet hair. I know, the video I put up yesterday for the car show, I needed a haircut. So this morning I got up early, got a haircut. You know, you can see I'm a little bit burned from the sun. But I feel pretty good. I don't think it was that bad. At least I don't think it is. Who knows? We'll see. Beautiful day. It's beautiful. You can't beat this. Is nice weather. 69 degrees, 68 degrees or something. Close to 70. Beautiful, beautiful. Here we go with Dave. Dave's riding on the Goldwing. And I'm telling the big audience that you're riding on the Goldwing. You want a microphone? Hey, you want a mic? Here, I'll give you a mic real quick. Let me give Dave a mic. I don't know how far we're going to get from each other. I'll try to stay close to you. Yeah, it should be on already. Should be cooking up pretty soon. Say something? Huh? Yeah, I think it's picking you up. I'm looking at the little, you know. Oh, yeah. Here I am getting on the Royal Star. Man, that spring is hard, huh?
Oh, yeah. That's why, you know, I always thought that that's the hardest kickstand spring I ever had. There we go. I got the media hooked up.
Yeah, I think you're hooked up. Hold on a second.
All right, so I get out looking for the clutch.
Yeah, there's no clutch on that sucker. Hold on,
just brake, right? Just brake. So if I put
D, just brake. That's it. Brake and then yeah, everything it does for you.
Shouldn't put the shield down. Oh, that's all the way down.
I'm ready when you are.
All right. This is weird. Where are my feet at? Oh, I got the forward control, so I just put my feet in front.
It's got some kick on this thing, man.
No, I'm turning right here, so. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, this thing wants to go.
Hey, it rides nice bike, man. I like the way your bike rides. It's got some torque on it.
I'll tell you though, it's reminiscent of my scooter. I'll tell you what.
You know, I'm ready in second, and I'm going around. Oh. It's got a lot of torque. I give it gas from second. Nice. Feel like I'm in a hot rod, man. Ooh, doggy.
I told Chino, man, put it in his house. All right, I'm getting.
I feel like knee dragging over here. What's going on here?
Yeah. All right, here we go. Whoa. Next to this car. Oh yeah. I want to shift, but I need to shift.
Yeah, you want to shift?
Yeah, I just goes faster and faster. There's some, I think there's an asphalt over here. Be careful. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is, I think I definitely get used to it. but I know I'm a little bit. I think that person's driving.
Watch out with that new driver. I think you don't want to make him nervous and stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah.
I'm hitting the rear brake, giving it gas.
I gotta remember to get first gear.
I'm gonna try to stop over here because I'm. Let's see how that works. Rear brake, and then just stop, right?
Yep.
A little awkward, but it's good. Oh, it's telling me the key's far away. I think the key
What's
fob
that?
is in your pocket. The key fob?
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's still in my pocket. Oh, yeah.
Okay, no worries. So just telling me that I think that you left the key behind or something. Pretty cool. I like
Yeah,
this.
pretty nice. Interesting.
Just take off, right? There you go. Like this.
Yeah,
Put your
take
feet
off.
down. So left turn here.
Brum, 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 brum. I feel like I'm driving a hot rod. Head nods, head nods.
There we go. Yeah, I'll put the clutch in and I'm coasting even though I let go of the throttle.
Yeah,
You gotta be conscious of that. Yeah, you gotta, because you let go of the throttle, it wants to slow down, engine braking, you know? It's a transmission. Ain't no scooter here.
don't scare you drivers.
Nerds. Nerds. No, I'm having fun. This is really nice. I'm gonna try to practice my stop again because it was a little bit not the way I would like to do it. Try it again here, and put the brake on. Cover the front brake and it just stop. There we go. There you go. Like that. That's it. Stay here. Wait for the light. Light turns green. Oh man, it throws you back.
I can't put first gear in.
Oh,
Oh, I got it. I got to just let the clutch out a little bit.
yeah, it's got a little clickiness to it. It's precise though. I mean, once you get the
Oh,
handle,
it's just the things you got to learn. That's all.
I feel it now. I'm like I click my foot.
The handle's nice though, man. You throw it into a corner, man. It turns like nothing. Look at that.
Well,
Nice.
with the fat tire in front, it's not not supposed to. That's not. I don't think that's what it's for. But yeah, if you say so.
We'll make it turn, damn it.
Yeah.
We'll make it.
It's like you have to muscle it. Like that's what people say with the big front tire, the fat tire in front.
Yeah, I mean, I feel the weight of the front tire. I feel it, but it is. I mean, it's very, very manageable. Very.
Oh, very manageable here. I'm just like relaxed over here. I went over a little rock or something. I barely feel it, like. I gotta get a certification for this Goldwing. Goldwing certified.
What's that? I didn't get that. You're breaking up a little bit.
Oh, yeah, I said you have to get certified. That's Goldwing. I'm Goldwing certified. He's a leaning buckle. I'm like, oh, there you go. What a nice red. I'm gonna stop over here and put the highway pegs out. Let me see here.
Yeah, go ahead, no problem.
God, I wanna hit the clutch, but
The brake, I'm not used to your front brake a little because it's like I really gotta hit it hard. You gotta like really get into that brake.
there we go. Might as well put them up this way. You don't have to shift anything. You have to use it for the rear brake. This is nice. This is like, you can do a lot of miles like this.
Some people that are taller say that the Goldwing is cramped to them.
Uh-huh.
You know what I mean? Like, that's why they need the highway pegs.
This is nice. Just gotta remember, like, don't the clutch, right? You don't need.
Don't worry about it. Just give it gas.
Don't worry about it. Just give it gas.
Give it gas.
Like the way you handle that rig. Brake. Come in. Watch where you're going. Head and eyes. Throttle. Straighten out. Need a brake over here. Find the brake. Where's the brake? Here we go. It shifts by itself.
you get, but stopping's a whole different ballgame. I said, little shit to get, but stopping is a whole different ballgame. What's up for these people here?
I see him.
I said, it'll move, man, but stopping.
Yeah, that's up to you. That's a regular brake. This brakes, I think. No
stopping stopping is a suggestion. Nah, it stops. I'm just used to a different,
You're used to the light feel of the Goldwing, that over here. I feel like it's real light. You're barely putting inputs in. It's just, it does whatever you just, like fly-by-wire. Put my feet back. Pitch the tank with your knees. With the brake. Está easy. Another run here. Oh man, throws you back. Nice. Throws you back. Nice. Now you can feel the power with you when you push it.
Watch out for the new driver. They're moving around.
I think this guy's gonna move, so I'm gonna go over here.
You are right in their path.
I got you. There you go. I was watching him.
Say, it ain't your parking lot, damn it. Tell him.
Oh, a little bit. I'm not used to it, but I get it. We're pretty good.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, I mean, it feels even nimble to go around some cones.
Brum, 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 brum. Yeah, it might be like driving like the Cutlass a little bit.
Put it in neutral. Put the kickstand down.
Neutral kickstand down if you want. Put the parking brake too in case it might roll,
Got it. Tilting it.
I gotta do this spring.
Oh yeah, you gotta push, man. Put your heel in there. Oh man. There he goes. Dude. I told you when I had my back foot, there were times when I was like, how am I gonna get off this bike?
Yeah, it's cool. Very, very fun to drive, man. Very fun to drive.
But yeah, you got a big tank and you got big nalgas right here.
Yeah. A whole different experience. Whole different experience. Back to the Goldwing. I'm gonna be looking for the clutch now.
Yeah. I'm gonna do a couple laps of mine just to get used to it again. Right, I got a little more confidence on this. But no, I'm gonna get used to it. Here's my brake right here coming in. Look and see. Tighter turn.
Head
right?
nice, head nice.
Yeah, head nice. Alright, that one. Now yours pulls harder. Jesus. Give me my grease selection too. Oh, that's cool. Alright, I think I'm totally.
Brick 19, is anyone there? Come on back to top, Jade Bear.
I'm gonna do one more lap and I'll get ready to go. Got lots of cross traffic there. Go to the exit?
What was that?
Want to go to the exit? Go
Yeah,
ahead.
I'm good. Whenever you're good, I'm ready. I'm following you. Watch out for any gravel spots around here. You know how it is.
Potholes. Got the twisties.
Riding like we're riding sport bikes around here. Are we riding ZX10s and The Honda $1,000.
Ay, ay, ay. Maybe after this group of cars I'll go.
No rush, man. No rush.
Yeah. I'll go here.